Hello children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation online classes. Class 6, Subject Hindi, Lesson 4, Topic Chatur Chor. Children, I hope you all remember we have gone through this lesson in last week last session, and now we are going to move on to the question answers of this lesson. I'll give a brief introduction about this lesson once again. Chatur Chor, clever thief. It's the story about a thief who was caught by the king's soldiers, and here we saw in the lesson that how he used clever tricks to escape from the punishment given by the king. He was caught and he told the king that he can make some gold by farming, and he wanted to give the idea to the king, and he told such a person to come who has never stole in his life to sow the seeds. But there was no one in the court who has not stolen once in his life, and the same way at last he called the king. But the king also thought that in his small age, when he was a child, he has also stolen some things from his mother's kitchen or somewhere. So he was also not able to sow the seeds. So he asked that when all are thief in your court, why the punishment is given only to me? And so the king understood, and king left him without giving punishment. So this was the story, children. I hope you all remember. And now we are going to move on to our question answers, or we can say book back exercises. First Roman is your word meanings, children. Shabdat. This was already given in the last session also. So it comes under exercises. This is the first Roman, and just write it in your notebook. The second Roman we are going to move to now, that is question answers. So children, we'll just see our first question. राजा के सिपाहियों ने किसको पकड़ा? Who was caught by the king's soldiers? राजा के सिपाहियों ने किसको पकड़ा? The answer is राजा के सिपाहियों ने एक चोर को पकड़ा. The king's soldiers caught one thief. The answer is the king's soldiers caught one thief. राजा के सिपाहियों ने एक चोर को पकड़ा. Second question, children. राजा ने उसको कौन सा दंड दिया? What was the punishment given by the king to the thief? राजा ने उसको कौन सा दंड दिया? The answer is राजा ने उसको मृत्यु दंड दिया. The king gave him punishment to be hanged till death. राजा ने उसको मृत्यु दंड दिया. Next question, children. Third one. चोर ने राजा से क्या बनवाने की प्रार्थना की? What did the thief demanded to the king to be made for him? The question is, चोर ने राजा से क्या बनवाने की प्रार्थना की? Answer is, चोर ने राजा से सरसों के दाने के बराबर सोने के दाने बनवाने की प्रार्थना की. The thief asked the king to make gold seeds in the size of a mustard. The answer is, children, the thief requested the king to make seeds of gold in the size of a mustard. चोर ने राजा से सरसों के दाने के बराबर सोने के दाने बनवाने की प्रार्थना की। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, राजा ने मंत्रियों की तरफ देखा तो उन्होंने क्या किया? The king, when he looked upon his ministers, what they all did? What did the ministers do when the king looked upon them? राजा ने मंत्रियों की तरफ देखा तो उन्होंने क्या किया? The answer is, राजा ने मंत्रियों की तरफ देखा तो एक एक करके सभी मंत्रियों ने अपने सिर झुका लिए। When the king looked upon to the ministers, they all bowed their head down. They all just shook their head because they all have stolen something, so they all shook their head down. राजा ने मंत्रियों की तरफ देखा तो एक एक करके सभी मंत्रियों ने अपने सिर झुका लिए। फिफ्थ एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर चिल्ड्रन, इस पाठ की शिक्षा क्या है? What do you learn from this lesson? What this lesson taught you? इस पाठ की शिक्षा क्या है? आंसर इज, इस पाठ की शिक्षा है कि विपत्ति के समय उससे बचने के लिए उपाय करना चाहिए। The lesson we got from this chapter is, we should be very particular in our decision and we should think of clever ideas to get rid of bad situations. Whenever we are in some bad situation or we are in some distress, we have to find out the way. We have to make some ideas to come out of that situation. This is the lesson what we get from this chapter. इस पाठ की शिक्षा है कि विपत्ति के समय उससे बचने के लिए उपाय करना चाहिए। So children, with this question, your book back exercises gets over. Write all these questions in your notebook and learn all the question answers and even the meanings of the lesson. Thank you, children.